how to enable device encryption in Windows 11 and Windows 10, or also you can say how to fix if device encryption is missing in your system. First, check if your device is compatible or what is the reason of incompatibility. So go to Windows search, type system information, open system information. You can also type ms info in Windows run command box. Here scroll down and you will find device encryption status, device encryption support. Here you will find three messages. If your system supports encryption, then meets prerequisites. Your PC supports device encryption. Otherwise, second method is elevation required to view. This message will also, this message means such type of message, elevation required to view. This message means you are not running system information with administrative privileges. Make sure to launch the app as an administrator. And the third one is any other codes. Critical settings are disabled or the PC does not meet the system requirements such as TPM or secure boot is not enabled in your system. It may be a cause of missing device encryption in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 system. So first workaround to fix this issue is go to run command box and type netplwiz. Switch to an administrator account. User accounts window will appear. Here select your user name, user account and choose properties, and here go to group membership and choose administrator, and finally click on apply and then OK. Now check if your device encryption is enabled or not. If not, go to the, now we will see third option, any other codes. It may be possibility of your system does not support or does not enable TPM or secure boot in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So first you should enable TPM 2.0 and enable secure boot. You may visit my channel, both videos you will find. The third option is reconfigure the local policies. Go to the group search and type gpedit.msc to open local group policy editor. Here go under computer configuration, expand administrative templates. Thereafter expand Windows components. Here select BitLocker drive encryption. Expand it and choose operating system drives. Thereafter go to right side and you will find the option configure TPM platform validation profile for native UEFI firmware configurations. Apply a double click on it to open. Here select enabled button first, then untick the checkbox for PCR2 extended or pluggable executable code. Uncheck this option and finally click on apply, then OK button to save the changes. So your system must enable TPM or secure boot to enable this feature. That's all.